Are you interested in learning about how data science is used to solve real world problems but don't know where to start? This course will provide you with the key foundational skills any data scientist need to prepare for a career in data science or further advanced learning in the field. Hi, I am Sachin and I will be your instructor for this course, and I love traveling. This course will introduce you to what data science is and what data scientists do. You will discover the applicability of data science across field and learn how data analysis can help you make data-driven decisions. You will find that you can kick-start your career path in the field with just some prior knowledge of computer science or programming language. This course will give you the foundation you need for more advanced learning to support your career goals. You will grasp concepts like feature engineering, feature transformation, model selection, and gain familiarity with various open source tools and data science programs used by data scientists like Jupyter Notebook. You will have complete hands-on lab and projects to learn the methodology involved in tackling data science problem and apply your newly acquired skill and knowledge to real-world datasets.